So my first impression with the CEORA, first it was like, oh, that's a really good looking robot. And then when I heard the list of technology, and I was like, this is really the robot I want in my course. The CEORA platform will definitely help me in my challenges, help me with the short labor, but also with the quality of the course, because it will be permanent at the same level, and then so we can do more with less actually. With the new CEORA, I think there is a new possibility, like the attachment. There is multiple work possible, so it's not only a mowing robot, but it's a tool carrier robot. So as a user of Automower, I can clearly say that the turf management side was completely different, and the positive note was at least as good, and maybe even better than a conventional mower. It's doing not only mowing, but it's doing agronomical benefit, like soil compaction, grass clipping reduction, and return to nitrogen. So it's not only one benefit, it's a package. As one of the experts in the autonomous in the golf industry, I have my own blog and I do webinar and seminar. So I have a good insight of what is the situation of the transition. I say we are just at the beginning of the transition right now. In the 5 to 10 years, it's going to be classic conventional mower turned into a robot, something that is more different than what we know today.